up, guys? It's Ready Roblox back with another video, back with another banger. Today I'm actually playing Beastman Simulator with my friend Ryan, and we're doing another Noob to Broke video because we're always gonna do the Noob to Broke videos with each other. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and you'll get a free cookie. And if you turn on the notification bell, and then you'll get 10 years of good luck and a free piece of cake, right?
Yep.
Okay, guys. So what I'm gonna do is first. Okay, I can't even.
But if you don't subscribe, you'll hear this for your life.
Yeah, that's true. Bro, you'll just hear.
Dude, this dude's these are all level 15.
Well, that's the next level, and they're all enchanted. How are they all enchanted? He must be so lucky, right?
Yeah.
Dude, I have so much honey in my bag. I mean, pollen in my bag.
I only have 0.
So, guys, last video you saw that we did the codes, and we were just starting up the game like usual people would. Okay, is it almost done? I love how the bees just spin around, right?
Yeah.
They go.
Dude, how much honey do you have?
A lot.
How much?
A lot. 12,000.
I have 4,000. I can't get a lot.
Well, I have a big bag.
I have 750 back.
So guys, soon I am going to join the group so that way I can get some free rewards. You already know me. Aww. That's exactly what I just heard. Aww. Yep, I just got a Riley bee. I just got a Riley bee, dude.
What do you mean?
It's a red epic. It's an epic bee. I have two. Dude, I have an epic bee. So I have a regular bee, a regular epic bee, and a red epic bee. Oh my gosh, I'm so lucky.
Well, I have.
You don't have a lot of bees. I have a lot. I'm mostly focusing on. Oh, you have one of you guys level 4. Okay, that's good. Bro, so on my other account, I'm not even as good at this guy. Well, I'm good. I'm better than this
blue
kid.
epic.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
I'm better than this guy on one of my accounts. I literally have like all legendaries. Well, actually, I have the guy that makes it go faster.
Than this guy.
Dude, I have like 5 enhanced guys. Or actually, I have like 7 or even 10. Like, that's how good I am. Okay, so guys, seems like my partner cannot be playing anymore. So so he will see you later. So yeah, that's okay. It's always okay. Okay, let me just join the group real quick. I want to join the group, bro. Okay. So I'm just gonna stand still for a sec. I don't wanna, bro. I do not want to send you a friend request. Actually, I do because you're actually amazing, bro. I love you. Just kidding. You're just a very good creator. I'm just trying to join his group. And don't let me join his group. Where's his group? I want to join the group. There's my mom's car. Okay. Let me rejoin, guys. So this will be a sec. Is that trillion or... Whoa. Did you guys see that? Okay, so now you see blank screen, now you don't. What? Okay, that kid's kind of good. Okay, that guy's decent. How does he have enhanced haste? I don't know how you get enhanced on haste. That's just like impossible. Bro, I want to turn this up. Okay. So it's nighttime, and let me get, okay, so bamboo field. Alright guys, so when you just do all the quests, that's what I do. Just do all the quests. Do all the quests, and then you do the mama bears or that bear. You do that bear or that bear's quest. But I mostly do the black bear first, and then I do those. Okay, I'm just kind of getting bored. Whoa. Yes, queen. Why you red, bro? Why you red? Are you a redhead? Oh, get wrecked. Wait, I want to get that. I want to get the FBI. Oh, wait, I know how to get there. But you have to, wait. It's up here. Wait, I think this is how you get it, guys. Wait, bro, what the, wait, no. Come on, I want, yes, royal jelly, baby. I'm smart. I'm smart, guys. I'm the definition of smart. Okay, I cannot get back up there. Wait, I need 4 blue. Okay, I have not discovered 4 types of blue bees. I'm sorry to say that. Don't even try eating me, bro. Oh. Okay, I can't get up there. That's unfortunate. Should I insta-sell? I think I'll have enough, yeah. Guys, I have 42 tickets, so why would I not insta-sell? Guys, I have all this stuff. I just have a lot of stuff in my inventory. You guys can't see it, but I just have a lot of stuff in my inventory. Okay, I just sold this. Okay, so you guys are gonna see me getting better and my friend getting better. But soon, if he doesn't have time to play, I will be getting better than him, but that's okay. Okay, guys, absolutely, wait. Oh my, oh, wait, isn't it? Okay, I need to get so many gumdrops. Get the gumdrop. You're sad, I know you're sad. I know you're sad. But it's your Sunny Boy we're talking about. Okay, I'm earning this stuff quick. Yeah, boy. Let's go. So, guys, I might actually buy, wait, that's 300? Wait, how much is it for a single? Okay, so diamond egg, 5% mythic. No. Okay, so let's go talk to brown bear. I'm black bear. Okay, let me go get this again. I'm just gonna keep doing this quest, guys. Well, I just hope you guys enjoy these videos that I'd be making. Wait, guys, let's go. So I know something, but I don't have a parachute. That's just sad. Because there's literally 3 royal jellies. Once I get a parachute, which is 10 bees, I am very much going to be happy because it costs like $1 million. Yeah. So let me just go. Oh yeah, I can slingshot. Ooh, let to just get some of these blueberries. I don't care about no honey. No! No! Okay, so I think the best place for red pollen is right there, but there's literally somebody camping it. I can only use it 1 per minute. That's so good. Actually, no, what did I just say? Hello? 1 per minute? Super salts. Sure. Why do you have a level 3B? I have level 3Bs, bro. I can literally just go like, please, 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 please. Level up by 1. No. No. Come on, wait. Cousin mutations. Oh my god. Okay, so he has a level 3B, bro. What the heck? So I'm gonna buy something better. Okay, so I just leveled up my bees, so now they're better, which is good. So I'm gonna try and get this actually. Yes, sir, 2,900. Haste times 5. Ooh. That holds 10,000. Actually, I'm gonna go get this. Never. Wait. I need the best thing here. Hey, you're trying to trick me. I don't even have. So I just need to save up for the best backpack and then just buy some bees. Or actually, I should just buy bees. Wait, bee clip? Wait. What? What? I don't know what that is. I hope it does not affect bees. Dude, I wish I had a parachute. It would just be way easier. I know it costs like 1 million, but the one up there costs 4 million, and it just goes. Dude, oh my god. Just stop trying to kill me, spider. Are you really that dumb? Just go kill the ladybugs. My ants. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. How's my okay? Oh yes, I can get that. I can get some tickets. Easy. Okay, I just get 1 ticket. Okay guys, this is a good video. So I'm actually going to be ending this. So I hope you guys have a great day. Stay warm or stay cold if it's somewhere cold that you are. So yeah, have a good day. Make sure to always be nice to your friends, your family. Be nice to everyone. I hope you have a ready for blast off day. Bye!